Alright folks, check this out, the new Top-O-Matic cigarette rolling machine. I've just got my hands on this bad boy, and I've got to say, I'm impressed. First off, it feels solid, like really solid. You can tell it's built to last with that stainless steel chamber. No flimsy plastic here, this thing is heavy duty. And the silver and black design? Slick. Now, I know some of you have had issues with other rollers in the past, things like the spoon being too long or the cigarettes not packing tight enough. Top-O-Matic seems to have listened. They've shortened the spoon on this model, which makes loading the tobacco way easier and more consistent. No more spills or uneven fills. And the chamber reducer? Genius. It lets you switch between king size and 100mm cigarettes without any hassle. Just pop it in or take it out, depending on what you're rolling. The handle is smooth and cranks like a dream. Seriously, it feels almost effortless. I was able to crank out a perfectly packed cigarette in seconds. And speaking of perfect, the cigarettes this thing produces are tight, evenly filled, and burn beautifully. No more canoeing or runs, just a smooth, even burn from start to finish. One thing I really appreciate is the simplicity of this machine. It's super easy to use, even if you're a beginner. Just load the tobacco, place your paper in, crank the handle, and boom, you've got a perfectly rolled cigarette. No complicated instructions or fiddly bits. It's straightforward and efficient. And let's talk about the warranty. A full-year manufacturer's warranty from Republic Tobacco and Lighter USA that shows they stand behind their product. It gives you peace of mind knowing that if anything goes wrong, you're covered. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, is it worth the upgrade? If you're tired of flimsy rollers that break easily or produce inconsistent cigarettes, then absolutely. The Top-O-Matic is a definite step up in terms of quality, durability, and ease of use. It's an investment that will pay off in the long run. You'll save time, reduce waste, and enjoy a much more satisfying smoking experience. Plus, the stainless steel construction means this thing is going to last you for years. So, there you have it. The Top-O-Matic cigarette rolling machine. Solid construction, easy to use, and produces perfect cigarettes every time. Definitely worth checking out if you're in the market for a new roller. I'm giving this one a big thumbs up.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.